everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul because I've bought quite a few things from Sephora recently, Christmas and for my birthday, which was a few days ago. The first products that I would like to talk about are the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. I just filmed a first impression video on this and I will link it down below. I got 3 of the 5 shades, I think, and yeah. Next, I picked up some Fenty Beauty lipsticks because I have never tried Fenty Beauty lipsticks and I saw the shades and I was like, oh my god, they're beautiful. I picked up Pumpkin Rose, which is the shade I'm wearing right now. Ballerina Blackout, which is just a very, like, light pink. Sparkle Fiesta, which is a deep pumpkin-y shade. And Dragon Mommy. I am going to do a lip swatch video at some point. I do want to pick up more because I do enjoy the formula. ABH had a buy one get one free for their lipsticks, so I picked up 2 shades in Dazed and Rage, but I will be returning these because the liquid lipstick formula is super dry and uncomfortable, and the matte lipstick is just I don't like the formula of either of these, so I'm going to be returning them. I picked up a lip pencil from Bite Beauty since they were on sale. I got the shade 094, which is just this like fuchsia, because fuchsia is like one of my favorite lip shades. I also picked up some hair stuff since, you know, as you guys can see, I just recently bleached and dyed my hair. So this is the Living Proof Timeless Pre-Shampoo Treatment. It was on sale and it had decent reviews, so I was like, you know, why not? I also got this Living Proof Nourishing Oil. Again, it was on sale. I love the Glam Glow Super Mud Mask. I know that people have had different experiences with it, but for me, it always helps out my skin. And this is a full size, and it was on sale. Like, it retails for $75 Canadian usually, but I got this set for like 40 something on sale, plus I had 20% off, so it was a good deal. I picked this up because, you know, it was a good price. The last thing that I got is the Bite Beauty Astrology set. This was 90 bucks originally, which I think is just ridiculous. It was like 50% off, and then I had an extra 20% off, so I decided, yeah, I wanted it. Comes with a lot of different shades, and I do really like Bite Beauty lipsticks, so I decided, hey, why not? Thank you guys so much for watching this very quick Sephora haul, and I'll see you in the next video.